Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection, but we've got a problem. Yep, slight problem here. This is the GE model P-11, no, excuse me, 1818D, about a 1965 vintage, 10 transistors, AM and FM. So I opened it up to see if it had batteries, which Jeff, like me, he doesn't leave batteries in his radios because they will leak and they will destroy the radio. So I opened it up, and we have a problem. I looked in here and I saw this, which is a 9-volt connector. And I'm looking down here and I'm like, that's a lot of space for a 9-volt battery. So I'm like, I'm not a little leery of putting a 9-volt battery on there. So I looked inside the case, and right there it says 4 AA batteries, flashlight, AA size flashlight batteries. Oh, so I have seen in some of my radios that they use this connector, but they have a little plastic case that holds the AA or AAA batteries. So I sent Jeff a text and asked him, did you not include the adapter, little case? And he goes, oops, yep, I forgot to include it. So we're not going to attempt to use this. I'll show you the insides. I don't know if all this wiring here is original. I don't think it is. And then there's a tie wrap, so I don't think that's original. And then there's somebody has written numbers on it. So apparently either he had it upgraded, fixed, whatever, or most likely he had somebody work on it, or maybe the previous owner did. So we're not going to be able to turn this on. It's got a nice curing handle. There's the antenna, telescopic antenna. There's the band switch, AM and FM. Dial, tuning dial, nice and smooth. Over here we have on, off, and volume, but unfortunately we cannot turn it on at this time. Though I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios, even though I can't turn this one on. Not a big deal. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.